on 13th Street, just south of the county line. And oh shit. Woo-hoo-hoo! Looked like I wasn't going that fast. But it looks like it snowed out here. Actually, the further south I'm going, the deeper this hail is getting, actually. It's like 2 inches of hail on the ground. Oh boy. We got a lot of rain down here too. Standing water all over the place. Oh my god. The further south I go here, the deeper this hail is getting. Oh boy, here it is. Water is overtaking the road here. I gotta drive through 2 inches of hail. This is nuts. It's deep over here. Holy crap. Whoa. Oh shit. Okay, there's like literally 5 or 6 inches of hail right here. I'm gonna have a hard time staying in the ruts because it's so deep. Oh my god! Oh my god, this is bad. Oh my god. Okay. This is hail. And it looks like it snowed. There's so much hail. There's literally 6 inches of hail out here. Gotta be. I'm just crossing Highway G here, still on 13th Street. Oh my god. That is literally 6 inches of hail. Oh my god. I'm doing like 20 miles an hour right now because I can't really go any faster. This is unreal. It almost looks like somebody's houses are without power right now. Not so thick here now. You know, the worst part of it was right about Highway G there. in and out.